In today's video, I'll show you how to block out specific days on Calendly. First, open your browser and go to the official Calendly website, then make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, head over to the Availability tab. On the Availability page, click on Plus Hours. A small window will pop up where you can choose the exact date or multiple dates you want to block out. Simply click on the days you don't want to be available. After selecting the dates, you'll see the time slots that show your availability. Since you want to block out the entire day, just click the X icon to remove all available hours for those selected dates. This will make sure you're not bookable on those days. Once you're done, click Apply and your settings will be saved automatically. You can also block out days by adjusting your default weekly hours. On the same availability page, just click the X next to the specific day you want to remove from your weekly schedule. And that's it. That's how you block out days on Calendly. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.